Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm a youth services assistant for Mesa County Libraries, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a beaded fidget toy in just 5 easy steps. Fidget toys are self-regulation tools to help with focus, attention, calming, and active listening. Fidgets come in all shapes and sizes and can often help with learning and concentration. You'll want to start with 9 pony beads, a roll of washi tape, a pipe cleaner, a craft stick, and a pair of scissors. Make sure you have your grown-up there to help you for things like cutting. First, take your pipe cleaner and cut it to fit the length of the craft stick. Make sure to leave a little extra hanging over the edges. You'll need this for later. Second, slide your beads onto the pipe cleaner. You can do any pattern you'd like, so have fun with it. Once all your beads are on, fold the long part of the pipe cleaner over the edges of your craft stick on both sides. Lastly, you'll want to use washi tape at both ends of the craft stick to keep the pipe cleaner in place. Use as much as you'd like. You got a whole roll. To use your fidget toy, move the beads up and down the pipe cleaner. This is a good way to focus if your brain feels busy when you're trying to concentrate on something. Have fun, and we hope you enjoy our take and make. If you're interested in more things like this, why not check out our Sensory Storytime? It's every second and fourth Monday of the month from 11 a.m. to 11:45 a.m. Join us for a story time specially designed for individuals that are neurodiverse and/or have sensory needs. This story time is recommended for ages 0 to 7, group size is limited to 15 families. Thanks again, and we hope you enjoy your take and make. Once you finish your creation, upload a photo to social media of your completed project to share your work. DM us the photo or tag @Mesa County Lib in your post.